about one of the most critical yet least discussed topic in India's EV ecosystem. How do you actually calculate the value of a second-hand electric vehicle? As India's EV revolution picks up, thousands of early adopters, owners of models like Tata Nexon EV or MG ZS EV are now preparing to sell or upgrade. But there is one big question everyone is asking. What is used EV really worth? Part 1, the core problem. Unlike petrol or diesel vehicles, which can be valued easily based on age and mileage, an EV resale value depends on a host of invisible factors. The battery's state of health, that is SOH, number of charge cycles, thermal and charging history, software updates, technology obsolescence. The battery alone makes up to 40% of the EV cost, yet today there is no standardized way to measure or certify its health in India. That means buyers, sellers, or even insurance companies are left guessing. Part 2, what is the market reality? According to business standard, EVs are made up just to 3% of used car sales in 2024. But this number is growing rapidly, fivefold in just 2 years. And the first generation of EVs launched between 2020 and 2023 enters the resale market. The question will now get louder. Currently, the insurance industry follows a common depreciation table for both ICE and EVs, meaning no differentiation between a 5-year-old petrol car and a 5-year-old EV. That's a huge problem because a car's body might last 15 years, but a battery performance could drop sharply after just 5 or 6 years. Part 3 is what is the global perspective? Other countries are already addressing this. The UK has introduced battery health certificate. The US now offers a tax credit for used EVs under the Inflation Reduction Act. And countries like Norway and Netherlands have built transparent resale ecosystem backed by government policy and data sharing. India, on the other hand, is just beginning this journey. Now, how DIYguru and EV.CARE are going to bridge this gap? That's where we come in. At EV.CARE and at DIYguru, we have trained over 80,000 professionals in electric mobility, and through our service vertical, that is EV.CARE, we are now enabling scientific EV assessment. Here is how we are going to change the game. First is the battery state of health analysis, SOH analysis. So we are using advanced diagnostic tools to measure real-time battery capacity, cycle life, and degradation rate. Second is thermal and charging pattern evaluation. We assess the battery charging habits, fast versus slow charging, and its temperature history to identify stress patterns. Third is software and firmware audit. We review the car software update records, which directly impact performance and resale reliability. Fourth is component level diagnostic. Our trained engineers inspect motor, controller, and auxiliary system using OBD and CAN data to create a comprehensive health report. This report not only helps individual buyers and sellers, but also gives insurance companies, finance, and used car aggregators a transparent benchmark for evaluation. Now, what is the road ahead? At DIYguru and EV.CARE, we believe that data-driven transparency is the foundation of trust in the used EV ecosystem, which standardize diagnostics. We can ensure that buyers get a fair price, sellers get higher confidence, and insurers can accurately underwrite policies based on real technical parameters, not just assumptions. As India's EV market matures, this ecosystem will form the backbone of our sustainable mobility future. At DIYguru and EV.CARE, we are very hopeful that we will be able to help you and insurance companies, even if you are an EV owner, buyer, or an insurer, and you want to know the true health and value of an electric vehicle, connect with us at EV.CARE. We are building India's first transparent EV assessment platform, one vehicle at a time.